Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Inwin 309 Gaming Edition Middle Tower PC case. So friend, Inwin's unique Middle Tower PC case 309 has been modified to include 144 ARGB LEDs integrated into the front panel. And friend, the gaming edition will be available allowing to use the front panel as a game screen. And friend, 3 types of retro games are pre-installed and you may use the attached dedicated gamepad to play the action game Maggie Jump, the racing game 309 Racing, or the block breaking blocks. And friend, along with the 8 pre-programmed lighting patterns, you may also show your own images and simple animation with the proprietary software GlowX. And friend, the cooling fan is ARGB compliant 120mm Saturn ASN 120 configured top into 3 and rear into 1. And friend, two 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch side bays and two 2.5-inch bays with 7 expansion slots comprising the drive bay arrangement. And friend, it can accommodate a graphics card up to 350mm in length, CPU cooler up to 160mm in height, and a power supply unit up to 200mm in depth. And friend, eATX, ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX are all compatible form factors. And friend, front I/O included USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, an audio jack, an LED and fan mode button, and LED and fan control button. And friend, it measures 238mm in width, 553mm in depth, and 500mm in height. And friend, it weighs about 13.7 kg. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, these unit costs roughly €250 or USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.